shocking secret revealed about demonetization in India. According to Major General Bakshi, Pakistan had 5 latest currency printing presses ready to print 15 trillion of Indian currency notes. When this intel was received to Prime Minister from secret agencies, it was now or never situation for him. The Pakistan could have created an economic Pearl Harbor situation. And within few months we would have seen an extreme upsurge in terror activity in J&K, also rest of India too. Prime Minister went ahead and did it. Only select few know about it. It was never easy for the man called Narendra Modi. His inconvenienced was his own vote bank. Step against demonetization was that he supposed to targeted his own people first. Only to save a lot of innocents and averted temporarily a civil war-like situation, black money, terrorism, Naxalites and Maowadis. We guess he won't regret if he lose 2019 elections. We believe that he has already set his priorities straight. And that is India and Indians. One day